The target sound for today's lesson is it. It is a short sound. Listen and repeat after me. It, 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 it. Ship, bit, fit. Kitten, whisper, ticket. Difficult, infinity, ridicule. Let's try some minimal pairs. Sound number 1 is E, like tree. Sound number 2 is it, like ship. Listen and repeat after me. Sheep, ship. Leak, lick. Peel, pill. Bean, bin. Are you ready to try some tongue twisters? Listen and repeat after me. Sentence number 1. Big Billy baked a batch of bitter biscuits. Sentence number 2. Frisky frogs flipped and flopped in the misty marsh. Sentence number 3. Nifty Nick nibbled 9 nice nachos. Thanks for joining me today, and see you again very soon.